Welcome to Matters Financial and Geopolitical from a Frontier. Thank you for stopping by. I hope the week's gone well and that the May Day holiday was enjoyable. Let's go to the currency markets. Dollar strengthening again. Last trading, euro dollar 111.47, dollar index 97.947, Japanese yen 111.52, Swiss franc 102.06, the pound around the 130 level, the Australian dollar 0.6993, and I'll get to the data points about that. India rupee 69.3245, South Korean won 1170.35. The won has dropped to a two-year low, and that's normally an important proxy for global growth. Euro dollar, I think you sell any rebounds, and that's been a strategy that's worked all year. Australia building permits year on year down 27.3%, previous down 12.5%, month on month minus 15.5%, and the Aussie dollar is testing critical support, as you would expect, last at 0.6993. I think it's going a lot lower. How Satya Nadella remade Microsoft into the world's most valuable company. A really tremendous article in Business Week. The most valuable company for now is having a Nadella-essence. Under Satya Nadella, Microsoft has more subscribers than Netflix, more cloud computing revenue than Google, and a near $1 trillion market cap. Nadella appears irritated by questions about the company's ascendancy. I would be disgusted if somebody ever celebrated our market cap, he said. The valuation passed $1 trillion on April 25 and is up more than 230% since his watch began in February 2014. The reality of the company's turnaround was more painful. He cut back on Windows. At the same time, Azure, Microsoft's cloud platform, had won marquee customers such as ExxonMobil, Starbucks, and Walmart. Shelley Branston, a Microsoft corporate vice president, suggests that what makes Nadella unique is that he has no swagger. He reoriented Microsoft around Azure. The cloud is conceptually thought of as a digital exchange of bits, but it's actually all about physical infrastructure, airplane hangar-sized data centers, and transoceanic cables yo-yoing petabytes of information. And then saying that, he often has a dig at Microsoft. In a presentation, he says, "We don't want you to think of this as just as building an app on our platform. We want to enable you to build your own platform." In the Barmer days, it was all bluster, but Satya has gotten really good at pointing out, do you want your technology partner to be your competitor? And of course, this is the platform economy I was speaking about previously in that article. I think he's done a great job. Uber, of course, will be listing imminently. The order book's already oversubscribed. And as I said on the 15th of April, investors will look through the accumulated losses and focus on the ubiquity of the platform, and therefore these shares will pop meaningfully. Tesla, $2 billion capital raise, shares and convertibles. It's a monster sell, in my opinion. Moving on, let's go to the commodity markets. Gold is around the 1270.50 level. I think it's going to around 1240. Crude oil was down more than 3% yesterday. It's currently at $61.90. LME copper moves back below its 200-day moving average. World growth weakening again. And indeed, that's a strong proxy, and it's also very problematical for Zambia.